Here's how to generate high-converting posts in seconds using Go High Level's Social Planner and AI Content Generator. Now we're going to use AI to help us write an engaging post. Watch this. I give it one sloppy sentence and the AI is giving me 3 options. Okay, so here are my variations. 1, 2, or 3. I can choose any one of these. There's my post. If I want to add an image, I simply go here. I can either create an image using AI, or I can upload from media storage. And over here on the right, it shows you. I have it Facebook, I have it on Instagram and LinkedIn, and it shows me what it looks like on each one. I select all my accounts here. I can tweak the caption for each platform right here without ever leaving the screen. I can choose Facebook options, feed, reel, or story, and edit each one based on the channel. I can use AI to generate new images, fix spelling, improve my writing, make it longer or shorter, or edit with AI asks. But posting once isn't enough. We need consistency. I love that post, so I'm going to clone it. Tweak the headline, and schedule it for next Tuesday. This is the list view. Let's go over to the calendar view. Here's the post I just scheduled. It's too close together. Say I make it further down the month, I can just simply take it, drag it here. See? And it's done. You can monitor and see how many views on each of the channels right here. Number of posts, total number of followers, and impressions and comments right from here. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Eats Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners, with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realeasefinder.com for more information.